as a follow-on from the timing chain replacement, everything is stripped down now. As you can see, it's not in good condition at all. It's not supposed to be that colour on a petrol engine. It's supposed to be nice and clean. As you can see, and that is because of the rattle, and that's what you'll be hearing. If anyone, well, has got one of these vehicles, always keep on top of the servicing, oil and filter, because if not, you will have this problem. Not supposed to be dirty and oily like that. It's supposed to be nice and clean. So yeah.